हेलो फ्रेंड्स, एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल लीगल नॉलेज में। व्हाट इज़ सिंकिंग फंड? लेट्स कम टू नो दैट। As per bylaw number 13C, society's sinking fund is to be created after deciding in general body meeting. Sinking fund is subject to minimum 0.25% per annum of the build-up cost of the flat, which should be contributed. Sinking fund should be collected per month. Sinking fund is made use when there is a major repair of the society. For this, registrar permission is required. Without permission of the registrar, sinking fund cannot be utilized. Sinking fund separate register is to be maintained. Society has to keep each member's sinking fund account. Thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe and like.